Where would the world be without airplanes? You know, it's worth noting that the invention of airplanes is a prime example of making the impossible possible. The Wright family's invention of the aircraft is a landmark achievement that, well, revolutionized the way we travel. It's truly remarkable to think that in just a matter of hours, we can journey across continents and oceans, all thanks to the incredible advancements in aviation technology. For instance, leaving New York today and arriving in Ghana the same day is a feat that was once unimaginable, but is now a reality for millions of airplane travelers around the world. This incredible achievement has not only made long-distance travel more accessible and convenient, but it has also spurred the growth of the aviation sector, creating countless jobs and opportunities. All in all, the invention is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, and it really deserves to be celebrated by everyone who benefits from air travel. The Wright family. The invention of the airplane is credited to the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. So, they successfully achieved powered, controlled, and sustained flight on December 17, 1903, near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, in the United States. Their aircraft, which was called the Wright Flyer, was a biplane with a wingspan of 40 feet and a 12.3 horsepower engine. The Wright brothers' achievement really marked a pivotal moment in history, as it showed everyone that controlled flight was, in fact, possible. They had carried out extensive research and experimentation in aerodynamics, control mechanisms, and propulsion, drawing on their experience as bicycle manufacturers. Their deep understanding of balance and control played a huge role in the success of their aircraft. The significance of the Wright brothers' invention honestly cannot be overstated. It paved the way for rapid advances in aviation technology and the entire aviation industry, leading to the creation of all sorts of aircraft for both military and civilian purposes. The airplane completely revolutionized transportation, communication, and commerce, shrinking the world and connecting distant places in ways that were just unimaginable before. Since the Wright brothers' first flight, aviation technology has kept advancing, resulting in faster, larger, and more efficient aircraft. These days, airplanes play a crucial role in global travel, commerce, and defense. The invention of the airplane stands as a landmark achievement in the history of technology and has had a truly profound impact on the modern world.